mutant mortal insurrection, the perfect military war machine, the human manifest of destruction, like an atomic bomb painted green.
Bred just to kill, justify what my existence is all about.
I wasn't made for this life, but I'll be fucked if you take me out.
You know my name,
I am the chief.
if there's a problem, I'll be the answer. I'll leave you all in disbelief. I am the master, I am the savior. You know my name, hail to the king. Motherfucking faggots.